Everyone, just relax, okay?
I can't relax.
Please, don't say anything. Where is my license? My driver's license.
It was in your wallet, wasn't it?
I changed clothes this morning.
You changed clothes?
Yeah, it's in the other pants. At home.
Wait, so you don't have it with you?
I have a license. I just didn't bring it.
Is that against the law? Illegal means against the law.
Quiet, the officer is coming.
Good evening. May I see your license and registration?
Good evening, officer. I have a license. I just don't have it with me.
So, you are driving without it?
I left it at home. I changed clothes, and it's in my other pants.
In your other pants?
Yes, sir.
Do you know why I stopped you?
Was I speeding?
You were driving 55 in a 35 zone. That is 20 over. The limit is the maximum speed allowed.
I'm really sorry. We are in a rush right now. My son has a project tomorrow.
That is not an emergency. An emergency is a serious or dangerous situation.
I understand, sir.
Your name?
Mike Brown.
Please wait here, Mr. Brown.
Are they going to arrest Dad? Arrest means take someone to jail.
No, Tom. He will most likely get a ticket. A ticket means you have to pay money.
How much?
Not sure. Maybe around $100? Maybe more.
Is it because of my homework?
No, Tom. It's because I was driving too fast.
But we were hurrying.
It's still my responsibility. I should drive more carefully.
Here is your ticket, Mr. Brown. The fine is $100. You can pay it online.
100?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Next time, don't forget your license.
I won't. I'm sorry.
Drive safely. The speed limit here is 35.
Yes, sir.
100.
Yeah. 100.
We spent 47 on supplies and 100 on the ticket. That's 147 total. That's a lot.
It's okay. Let's go home. We still have time.
All right, let's organise this. Who's doing what? Mike, can you glue the photos?
Yes, I'll do the glue.
Megan, can you do the titles?
What kind of titles?
Our Mexican vacation, things like that. Make it look nice.
Okay, I'll make it look really good.
Tom, you need to write about the trip. Describe what we did.
How long should it be?
Maybe 6 sentences?
6 sentences. Okay.
Where are the scissors?
Here.
Mom, how do I begin?
Start with, our family went to Mexico.
Our family went to Mexico.
Good. What did we do there?
We went to the beach.
Write that down.
We went to the beach.
Where should this picture go?
Put it in the middle.
Like this?
Dad, that's too much glue.
Too much?
Yes, look. It's going down.
Oh, sorry.
Just a little bit. Like this. Okay, that's better.
It's all coming together. Coming together means becoming complete.
Really? It looks okay?
It looks great.
What time is it?
11:15. We're almost finished. We just need Tom's writing.
Can I help with the glue?
Sure, but not as much as I did.
Okay, Dad.
Tom, let me see what you wrote.
Is it okay?
Our family went to Mexico. We went to the beach every day. The water was blue and warm. We saw fish while snorkeling. I had a great time.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good. Your spelling is correct. Correct means no mistakes.
Really?
Yes,
Thanks, Megan.
you're welcome.
Megan,
What?
I'm sorry about earlier, about the chores.
You should be.
I know. I was being lazy.
Yeah, you were.
Thanks for helping anyway.
I'm not mad anymore. Just tired.
Same here.
Next time, check your pockets.
I will.
And don't lie about homework.
I didn't lie. I forgot.
Forgot. Or ignored.
Both.
At least you're honest now.
Done. We're finished.
Let me see.
Wow, it looks really good.
We did it! Yeah, we did a great job.
And it's only 1 a.m.
Only?
You need to sleep. School starts at 8.
Can I sleep with the board? I don't want anything to happen to it.
It will be safe. Put it by your bed.
I'm going to sleep. Good night.
Good night, Megan. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
All right, time to go. Is everyone ready?
Ready? Let's go.
I have my board.
Good. Don't forget your lunch.
Thanks, Mom. There's the school.
Good luck, Tom.
You'll do great.
I'll tell you what the teacher says.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Excuse me, is the school open?
Open? No, son. There is no school today.
What? But it's Monday.
See the sign? Professional Development Day.
No school?
It means teachers have meetings. Students stay home.
But my project is due today.
Then it's due tomorrow. Nice board.
Thanks.
Tom, what happened?
There's no school today.
What?
It's a teacher meeting day.
You're kidding.
The janitor told me.
Oh no.
So we stayed up until 1 a.m.
Spent $47.
Got $100 ticket.
Drove across town.
For nothing.
At least we have the board.
That's not funny.
Okay, maybe a little.
We need to go home and sleep.
Can we go home now?
Yes, let's go.
And Tom,
Yeah?
tomorrow, bring the board.
Okay,
And check your pockets before laundry.
I will. I promise.
And no more fake jet lag.
No more fake jet lag.
All right, everyone, close your eyes. We're going home.
Tom, wait. Did you finish your math homework?
Megan!
Oh, you two.